everything's vibrating. Your thoughts are electric, and your feelings, your heart feelings, are magnetic. So if you can get the brain coherent, you can send a very clear signal as an electrical charge into the field. You get that heart turned on and feel the emotion before it happens. The heart is a magnetic field. It's measured. You can measure it. The more you adhere at the heart, the more you have a strong magnetic field. And that's what draws experiences to us. And if there's a vibrational match between some possibility in the quantum field, the frequency, information, and your energy, and you're creating beyond space and time from the field instead of from matter, and it's the field that creates matter. Is it possible when there's a vibrational match to draw that experience to you without having to do anything? Our mind automatically counterpoints and predicts how long it's going to take for that to happen. And so here's one point of consciousness, then the future is the other point of consciousness, and the separation between 2 points of consciousness in 3-dimensional reality creates time.